Yung mga tagay nandito naman si Inday Tagay, babae hindi naubusan ng tagay. So mga tagay ngayon, actually this is the first time talaga na parang na-challenge ko yung sarili ko na kasi wala pang while waiting mga tagay in English. Rob, special mention to Rob. Hello. He said that I need to speak in English. So anyways, this is 17. You know what, Rob? I remember you with this. You said that you're going to leave me if I'm going to let you eat balot. But this time, this one has a big already. Look. There's a big and so that's my sumsuman while waiting. And then I have bread here that I bought because here there's a disco in the middle of the street, but then it's raining, so we are waiting. Thank you. And then we have a free thank you, we have a free soup mga tagay. So I'm alone. So right now, I want to challenge myself to eat a balot with I might try to drink for a while and then we will know what will it happen if so we're going to try this balot 18 years 18 weeks, 18 years older than my son. Charos. Ano yun? Pwede mo na sisiw, hindi na siya sisiw, pwede na siya mga anak. So right now, what I'm going to do, this is free soup mga tagay. So I'm going just to put a pepper like that mga tagay, and then we're going to put, instead of soy sauce, I'm going to put fish sauce, a little amount only, that's it, pancit. So we're going to mix it like that, and we're going to have a taste how it tastes like mga tagay. Very good mga tagay. Perfect mga tagay. Masarap ang timpla nila. The taste is really good. Soup mga tagay. But it's really good. So we're going to taste this one. Actually, this soup here is not a soup. Actually, it's a vinegar with a lot of chili and we have two more here. So I'm not really used to eat balot, but then it's nice to eat balot while it's raining. Look, it's raining outside. So let's eat this mga tagay. But this one it's a big challenge for me mga tagay to eat this one. But if they big challenge for me mga tagay. 1, 2, 3, go. Little bit of new for me, but then it's good. That's enough for me. These two I'm just going to give to my friends. I'm just going to ask for some this one, vinegar. Their vinegar carry it all. It because the fishy taste. Fishy taste. Anyways, this one is really good. And then mga tagay, I have here I haven't bring my my stand, so my cellphone will stand its own. Wala, I eat this already and then it's like this, but then actually it's really good. It has a cheese inside, and when I'm walking I'm just like eating it and eating it, and I'm just mashing it because it's really fluffy. It's fluffy and it's like lamidsak in Tagalog, lamidsak. Because here is a fiesta and there's more bar there, mga tagay, look oh. I don't know if I'm going to go there, or I don't know where they're going to be. I don't know if they're still there because they are the one who are watching for the anti-crime group or whatsoever, so I cannot show you their faces. But then mga tagay, I have more here. Anyway, we have a short video for today. Mga tagay, thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe on my channel, Inday Tagay. Click the notification down below para sa susunod nating tagayan. Thank you and God bless. Bye-bye.